Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how to unlock the bootloader on the brand new Moto G4. This is necessary if you're going to be installing custom ROMs onto this device. You will also need to root this device too. So if you don't know how to root, I will leave a link to my simple root tutorial in the description down below. You can go check that out. So anyway, before I show you what to do, please make sure you back up all important files because unlocking the bootloader is going to wipe the device totally clean, so it's going to erase everything, photographs, videos, telephone numbers, anything you've got on this device will no longer be there because it's going to totally wipe the internal storage clean. So please make sure you back up everything. So anyway, once you've got everything backed up, you can go ahead and follow this tutorial if you really want to unlock the bootloader. So first things first, we'll need to go into the settings. So pull down the notifications and go down to about phone, and where it says build number here, you're just going to keep tapping on it until it says you are now a developer, and press the back key, and as you can see now it's unlocked the developer options. Okay, so in there, make sure it says on here, and make sure OEM unlocking, allow bootloader to be unlocked, is checked. So make sure both are checked, and then you can put your phone down. Okay, next thing you need to do is just open up your web browser, Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever it is you're using, and just type in Motorola bootloader unlock. And just click on the first link and it'll take you to Motorola's website where you can unlock the bootloader. Just go ahead and hit sign in. And sign in with your Google Plus account. If you don't have a Google Plus account, you can go ahead and create one. But I've already got one, so I'm just going to sign in to my Google Plus account. Sign in with my Google Plus account, sorry. Okay, so just scroll down, hit next. Okay, so now you'll be greeted with some instructions here. So we're just gonna start from the top, from the first one. So install the Android SDK here. Click on this link and it'll download the Android Studio. Inside the Android Studio, it contains the Android SDK along with some other files. So just go ahead and hit download. And once it's downloaded, just open up the Android Studio and tick the boxes SDK and the other boxes, and it'll install all the files you need to unlock the bootloader. Number 2, install the latest Motorola USB drivers on your desktop. So go ahead and click on this and it'll download the Motorola USB drivers. It's a small file, just download it, run it, and it'll install the USB drivers for you. It only takes a few seconds. Okay, next you need to head to the link in the description down below. Head to the link in the description down below and it'll take you to the XDA site where you can download the minimal ADB and Fastboot. So like I says, this link will be in the description down below. Just click on it and it'll take you right here to this web page what I'm looking at, and just scroll down and hit download version 1.4 here. Okay, so once you download it, store it on your desktop here and run it, and it'll install the minimal ADB and Fastboot. Okay, so once that's done, you need to put your device into Fastboot mode. And to do that, just power off. And you're going to press volume down and power. So volume down and power until it goes into Fastboot mode. As you can see there, it says Fastboot. See if I can focus in. Okay, so it says Fastboot there. So make sure it's in Fastboot mode. And press the volume down button until it says recovery mode there. And then you can put your phone down for now. Go back to the instructions. Okay, so on your desktop, open a command prompt or terminal and go to the directory where you install the Android SDK tools. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to go to the C drive, because that's where the minimal ADB, what you downloaded from XDA, from the link what was in the description down below, that's where it will have installed to. It will have installed to the C drive. Okay, so we're just going to look for minimal ADB. So click on program files x86. Let's see if it's in there. And there it is, minimal ADB and Fastboot. So just click on that, open it up. Next thing you need to do is just press Shift on your keyboard in a blank space. You're going to press Shift and you're going to right click on your mouse. So I'm just going to put the camera down real quick. So press Shift and right click in a blank space. And it's going to bring up this little box. Select open command window here. And it's going to bring up the command prompt window. Okay, so now you're just going to connect your phone to the USB cable. Just like this, just plug in your USB cable to the phone. And then go back to the Motorola website. And you're going to copy Fastboot OEM get unlocked data. So just highlight it and copy it. Now go back to the command window. And you're just going to paste it in there. And then hit enter. Okay, so now you should see a bunch of numbers and letters and stuff. You're just gonna right click on it and select mark. And you need to copy all of this. And then hit enter. Okay, so now just go to your notepad. So just type in notepad here. And just paste everything into there. And save. Save it to desktop. just name it unlock key. Okay, let's just see that it's saved to the desktop. Okay, so yeah, it's there. Okay, so now just go back to the Motorola website, to the next set of instructions. Okay, the return string will be used to revive your unlock key. Okay, so number 5, paste together the 5 lines of the output into one continuous string without bootloader or info or white spaces. Your strings need to look like this. Okay, so we're going to go back to the code. And we're just going to copy it. Okay, hold on. Let's just edit it. So you're going to delete bootloader in the brackets. Just to make things a bit easier. So delete bootloader in the brackets, and you're just going to copy the numbers and the letters, and then you can close that down. You can save it too if you want. Now go back to the Motorola website again, and you're going to paste all of that into there. Okay, so what we need to do now is we just need to delete any spaces. So anywhere you see a space, just delete the spaces. So there's another space there. There's another space here. You don't want to leave any spaces. Okay, so that looks about right. Next, scroll down to where it says I agree to the bound terms of the legal agreement. Hit I agree, and then go back up to can my device be unlocked? Okay, let's try that again. Now request unlock key. Okay, you should get this notification here which says unless you have a developer edition device, this will void your warranty. Go ahead and hit OK. And you should now get this message saying you should have received an email with your unlock key. Inside the email is a unique 20-character alphanumeric code that you will use to unlock your device. Okay, so the Google Plus account, what you used to sign in to the Motorola website, you'll have to go to that email address of your Google Plus account to get the email. So I'm going to do that real quick. quick. I'm going to go to my email. So open up Google Chrome. Go to Gmail. And here it is, unlocking your device. Here is the unique code to unlock the bootloader of your Motorola device. Okay, so here's my unique code. So I'm just going to copy it. And then now please follow the instructions here to unlock your bootloader. So just click on here. And it'll take you back to the Motorola website. Okay. Open a command window. Okay, so you need to go back to minimal ADB. So go back to the C drive to where we have minimal ADB installed. And then once again, you're going to press Shift in a blank space and you're going to right click on your mouse. So I'm going to put the camera down real quick. So in a blank space there, you're just going to press Shift and right click on your mouse and hit open command window here. Now go back to the Motorola website. Let's look at those instructions again. Okay, so we can go straight to number 7. To unlock the bootloader, enter the following in the command line. Fastboot OEM unlock. Okay, so type in Fastboot space OEM space unlock and then space again, and you're going to paste in the unlock code and then hit enter. Warning, this command erases all user data. Bootloader, please rerun this command to continue. Okay, so Fastboot, just going to type that in again. OEM space unlock space and then paste in the code and then hit enter. And you should get this message: bootloader is unlocked, rebooting phone. And your phone should have just rebooted. And it should say OK and finished. Okay, so you can unplug the device and just go ahead and hit start. Your device has been unlocked and can't be trusted. Your device will boot in 5 seconds. Okay, so once again, like I says in the beginning, when you do this, it's gonna wipe your device clean. So as you can see, the device has been wiped clean. I've got to go through the whole setup process again. Just sign into my Wi-Fi. And there you have it, guys. This was my simple tutorial on how to unlock the bootloader on the Moto G4. So now all you need to do is you need to root the device and install TWRP recovery. I will post my tutorial on how to do that in the link down below. So once you root and install TWRP recovery, you can then start to install any custom ROMs over on the XDA developers forum. So yeah, this was it for my tutorial. If you like it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button if it helped you out. Leave any comments in the comment section down below if you get stuck with anything, and I'll try and reply as soon as I can. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. Deuces.